Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a gin fizz cocktail. You'll need some gin, some lemon juice, simple syrup in here, and about a bit of egg white. First you'll add 2 parts of gin to the shaker. Next you'll add 1 part of lemon juice. Three-fourths of a part to the simple syrup. There we go. Next, the egg white. Next, you want to dry shake it without the ice for about 15 seconds or so. What does it do that? What was that? Told you it pops. Alright. Next you will add the ice and then shake again. Next, strain into a glass. I know, Quincy, it's coming up. Yes. And then top off with a bit of club soda. Ladies and gentlemen, the gin fizz cocktail, perfect for a summer day. I hope this video was informative, and I'll see you again next time.